Welcome to our latest AI news update. Today we're addressing a growing concern in the AI community, the perceived decline in performance of flagship AI models like ChatGPT and Claude over time, and why API versions might be maintaining better performance. Let's start with the perceived decline in AI performance. Many users have been reporting that ChatGPT and Claude seem less capable now compared to when they were first launched. What are people noticing? Well, there's been a reduction in reasoning capabilities, more frequent factual errors, and less nuanced responses. And this isn't just anecdotal evidence. There are multiple documented examples and comparisons that show this trend. So, what's causing this apparent decline? The prevailing theory revolves around resource management. Here's how it might be playing out. These AI services have seen a rapid increase in their user base. The companies behind them are struggling to scale their resources at the same rate as this growth. As a result, it's believed that the models are being optimized, which might actually mean downgraded, to handle the increased load. The kicker? The model names remain unchanged, leading to confusion among users who expect consistent performance. This optimization likely results in some performance degradation, particularly in complex reasoning tasks. Now here's where it gets interesting. The pay-per-use API services don't seem to be suffering from the same decline. Why might that be? Well, there are a couple of possible reasons. First, these services likely have lower overall usage, which reduces the need for optimization. Second, there's a clear financial incentive to maintain quality for paying customers. There's another theory floating around that involves dynamic load balancing. The idea is this. During peak times, smaller, faster models might be used under the same model name. This could explain why some users experience performance fluctuations based on the time of day or week. It suggests that these companies might be focusing on reliability over consistent high-level performance. Now, it's important to note that this is speculative, but it could explain the inconsistent user experiences many have reported. So what's the takeaway from all this? While AI models aren't necessarily getting dumber, access to their full capabilities may be becoming more limited. This situation highlights the challenges of scaling AI services to meet growing demand. For users, this means a few things. First, free services may not always represent peak performance. Second, API usage might provide more consistent results. And third, when looking at benchmarks or comparisons, it's important to consider factors like timing and usage levels. That's all for this update on AI performance trends. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest in AI news and analysis. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective on AI performance. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to help others find this content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.